Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will go through histogram and Pareto chart. Histogram is used for sequential representation of the data and Pareto chart is used for calculating the cumulative value. So here we have set of data having name and quality score. We will select this. Okay, just making undo or skip this one. Okay, select that data and go to insert recommended chart. In that all chart histogram, go with the first option histogram and OK. So histogram chart has been created. Here we can see a bin size. What are bin? Bin are nothing but the range between some interval which you can see under x-axis. I'm just changing the font size so it will be visible more clearly. In this bin we can see having some kind of bracket which are square bracket which look like this, open square bracket, close square bracket and the open parenthesis. So what's the difference between the brackets? Here we can see number which is near to the square bracket, that same number will be visible under same bar. Okay, 75 will be visible under this, and number which is after parenthesis bracket like the C bracket, that number will be visible in the previous bar. Okay, and number which is near to the square bracket, same number will be visible in that same bar. Okay, now to make changes in the bin size, we will just double click on this x-axis and go to option called as axis option and bin width. In bin width we can make changes to the 10 or 5 as needed. I made changes as 10. Okay, and now you can see 81 to 71 in this bar, 71 to 81, 81 to 91 and so on. Now let's validate the data as per the bin size. Here we can see 61 to 71, not 81. Okay, 61 to 71, how many values are there? 3. Let's calculate from 61 to 71. 61, this will be the first one. Any other number? 61 to 71, and this will be the third. Is there any other number which is near to 61 to 71? No. Now in next bar we can see 71 to 81. So from 71 to 81 we can see this first value 73, 71 to 81, 74. Okay, 71 to 81, 71 to 81. Okay, this one 71 to 81, this value, and 71 to 81, and even this. So in all there were how many values? 6. And we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we can see 81 falls under same bar. Why? Because 81 is near to the square bracket. If we make changes to this, okay, if I make changes to any other number as 71. Now 71 will fall under first bar. So 71 has come under first bar. In this way we can create a histogram chart for distribution of data or sequential data. Now we will be creating a Pareto chart. For that I am copying this table and remove the color size, color, and format it, no fill. And before creating a Pareto chart, you will sort this data into descending order. To analyze this data in Pareto chart, we need to sort data in descending order. Okay. Now to create a Pareto chart, select the data having name and quality score. Same, you will go to insert recommended chart, click under all charts, and then we will go for option as histogram and select the second option Pareto. Okay, which works on 80-20 rule. We get the 80% of the value from the 20% of the sample size. Okay, here we can see Pareto chart has been created. And what's the difference between the normal chart and Pareto chart? In most of the chart we have two axes like x-axis and the y-axis. But in Pareto chart we can see two axes like two y-axis. One is for value, another one is for percentage. This Pareto chart is inbuilt in Excel from 2016 and above version. And last one, to calculate the cumulative percentage. For that we will go with equal to sum Okay. Same sum. Select this value B25 colon B25. Enter. We will get the same value. We are getting same value. Okay. But if we do it with the fixing the first value, to fix that first value, you will go with, let's do it once again. To fix this first value, we will go with shift and $sign. Okay, absolute fix. Now if we drag this formula, we will fix the first cell. Let's do it here. Fix this first cell and fix this one. Remove this extra dollar. Okay. Now drag this formula. You will be getting the cumulative value. And to calculate the percentage of this, you will divide this by sum in bracket the entire range. And we will fix this. Let's do it once again. It's taking time. Okay. Add dollars here and here. We will fix the entire range and enter. And then you can drag this. And to convert this into percentage, you will click under percentage. So in this way, we can calculate the cumulative value and you can create a Pareto chart using this data. Thank you for watching.